Now this year at MACH 2020, Hurco were going to be introducing their new range of lathes. I spoke with Dave Waghorn about why they brought them to market and some of the changes to these new machines over their previous models.
Yeah, we've probably been selling lathes for about 10 years. Just to give the full history, we rushed to market quite early on, but used a basic software platform which we adapted for our use. What we discovered was that in order for our customers to love a lathe control in the same way that they love the mill control, it needs to have all the features, things like concurrent program, gramming, check for errors, recovery, restart. Those people who like Hurco mills will know the interrupt cycle is a really nice feature that you can stop any part anytime in a job and clean the part off, check accuracies, things like that, and restart at exactly the same point. What we were finding with the lathe platform was all these things were wanted, plus multi-axis, plus all sorts of features that we hadn't originally anticipated. And about 3 years ago, Hurco made the decision to redevelop the lathe control from scratch and make it a lot more like the mill. Now, this was released a couple of years ago with the TM product, and we've been working for that for a couple of years and adding features one by one. The demand we always knew was for a driven tool product. If you understand how programming rotary and conversational is done on our mills, you can understand how a driven tool would work on a lathe. Those features have been coming together. We've been doing a lot of testing and trialing to make sure we had the right kind of product. And ahead of MACH, we had a very nice, the new product's called the TM8M, and we were going to be showing that at MACH, and it's a very nice, very powerful control capability, very easy to use, and very good, strong milling capabilities within the product as well.
And I did also ask David whether the introduction of these new machines, considering how successful their machining centre sales have been in recent years, not just here but around the world, I did ask him whether he thought the introduction of this model could in fact double their footprint.
Yeah, there's certainly, I'd say there's a big demand for the driven tool lathe, and there are people who've said, tell me when it's ready, I'll order one. It's part of the, I know given the current conditions, you'd wonder about moving into a great big building like we have, but the lathe product was always expected to come, and it was always expected to be popular. So there's a lot of mechanical design enhancements there as well. Smaller footprint, more powerful spindle, trying to think larger coolant capacity, larger bar capacity, faster rapids, roller guide weights, things like that. I think initially it'll appeal to Hurco users, people who already have a lot of our milling capacity, but gradually I think we'll attract a lot of new customers. Where again, the reason for buying Hurco is for one-offs, small volumes. You're never sure what the next job will be, and it's programming the concept and getting your first off part as quickly and easily as possible. And this really gives us this opportunity on the lathe as well. So yeah, I'm obviously, you don't want to predict too much, but yeah, I'm very optimistic about the potential of both there's the TMMI product, but also we'll be adding a Y-axis and a sub spindle over the next couple of years. So yeah, there's potential to grow.